This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Facebook name. First, open your Facebook application or go to the website on a desktop. You will need to access your settings menu to begin this simple process. This update allows you to refresh your online identity quickly, reflecting any personal changes you might have made. It's a useful feature for maintaining an accurate, up-to-date profile across the platform. To start, find the menu icon, which often looks like 3 horizontal lines. Once you tap or click on this, a full menu will appear. Scroll down carefully until you see the Settings and Privacy option. Click on this, and then select Settings from the new submenu that opens. This action takes you directly to your main account configuration area. Next, navigate to Personal and Account Information once you are in the main settings. Here, you will see an option specifically labeled Name. Click on this to proceed. You can then input your new first, middle, and last names into the respective fields. It is very important to carefully review these changes for any spelling mistakes before moving forward with the update. There are a few crucial rules to remember when changing your name. You can only update your name once every 60 days, so choose wisely. Avoid using strange capitalization, numbers, symbols, or unnecessary punctuation. Your name should also reflect your true identity, as per the platform's community standards. Professional titles or religious terms are generally not allowed within your name field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.